Buang. Ah.
Subo.
Dessert na.
Punas muna ng bibig.
May dessert pa.
Happy birthday, Inday. Let me see your teeth. Eddie. Sabi mo Eddie. Hindi Dida. Eddie. Eddie. Stand up. Dessert.
Come here.
Anong pangalan ng dessert niya?
Apricot.
Apricot pa.
With mixed fruit. Kaya mag-change sa mukha niya ngayon. Tingnan mo. Hoy! Stop that.
Open. Talon mo. Gutom ah. Don't spit! Nako. Yan. Oh. Open. Put in your mouth. Punas ng bibig ko. Ano nun? Tutulo. Didikit. Open. Has been a journeyman player his entire career, and he showed today against the Eagles as JPO just turned it over. Had 3 in the fourth quarter.
Yoni,
Short it.
The clock may be ticking on Mike Nolan's job. Eagles hang basket appears to fumble his catch early in the game. Nolan doesn't ask for a replay. Eagles score. Led 7-3. Come on, coach, get in the game. 2 drives later, Donovan McNabb puts the big basket. Third goal, 14-6 Philly. After Joe Dennis' third field goal of the half, 17-9 Eagles. But Donald Strickland blocked David Akers at the
Hinahid ba dito, ano? Sa cream?
17-16 Eagles at the half. Nine starts the third with a heavy dose of Frank Gore. 6 of the 101 yards on this touchdown. 49 led. 23-16. Adds to the tally is Vernon Davis, who had his best game catching the ball. Ripped off a 57-yarder, leads to another field goal. 26-17 Niners after 3 quarters.
Look. Stand up.
Nalalamin pa ang buang.
Hello, Inday. Hello. Nalalamin pa. Nalalamin pa. Hello. Happy birthday.
Yoni,
Happy birthday, Inday. Happy birthday. Open your mouth. Open. Hi. Hi. Open your mouth.
Ay.
Happy birthday, Inday. Hi. Open it. Open. Here. Open.
Open. Bah. Nalamin pa. Oh.
Ay.
That hit leads to the TD pass and Breeze to Reggie Bush, which is second TD of the day, just on a 15-yarder, 24-3 Saints. Raiders have a chance to end on a good note at least, but DeMarcus overthrows Chaz Killen.
Ayun ni oh.
That's Raider football of late.
Ayun.
Okay, some more. Ubus na, oh.
Everything that we've been through, no excuses. I thought we put it behind us and really had worked for the
Nakon,
Ay,
may
piste.
Oh my
you know, the
God.
thing that
Dah, grabe yung design mo na
hey,
eh.
we're better than that, we can play harder than that, and that's
Wala na. Kung na nagkain ito.
Yun oh, nag-ano pa siya, peekaboo. Bah. Kiss daw, kiss. Kiss. Happy birthday, Inday.
Kamu ka kiss?
Happy birthday.
Wow.
October 12, 2008. Happy birthday, Inday.
Wow.
Happy Pansit Day, Inday. Oh, wave daw, wave, Inday, wave. Hello.
Sabi mo,
Hello.
bye-bye.
Hi.
Bye-bye.
Hi. Bakit ka maipin mo? Hi. Hi, Inday. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Uy, Inday. Uy. Let me see your teeth. Inday, let me see your teeth. See your teeth. Hi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Inday. Bye-bye. Hello. Bye-bye. Nak. Kanina yung maalog siya, yung Jimbo, gumaganon siya.
Jimbo the clown goes. Tulog.
Oh.
Patayin muna.
Oh, sige, Jimbo. Nagsusway siya eh.
Jimbo! Ready? Come on up.
Ready na, ready. Up. Come on up. We have 1 minute to go.
Jimbo the clown goes up and down, side to side,
Galing.
side to side,
Alright.
side to side. Jimbo the clown goes side to side, and then he gives you a kiss. Jimbo the clown goes twist. Jimbo the clown goes twist, and then he gives you a kiss. Jimbo the clown plays peekaboo. Jimbo the clown plays peekaboo, and then he gives you a kiss. Jimbo the clown says bye. Jimbo the clown says bye. See you here next time. Bye.